interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Cypher, my condenser cables are missing from the lab again. Put them back, please. Thank you.
Hi everyone! So welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, I am going to show you how I changed my keycap. Syempre, isama na natin yung unboxing, and I bought this product from Shopee and overseas siya, so medyo matagal ko siya inintay. Pero hindi ganun katagal, parang sakto lang. Yeah, without further ado, we are going to start. So yeah, without further ado, let's start. And disclaimer, I already filmed this video last week. So, medyo hindi ko na alam yung nangyari. Pero, papakita ko sa inyo. Alam ko yung next clip, unboxing, tapos yung pagkabit. And after that, I'm going to show you the final product. So, ito yung keycaps natin before. Yan, as you can see, all white. Tapos, ito yung dumating natin keycaps. Kung maririnig nyo. Ito yung color niya. Color pink or baby pink. Grabe. So, kung ganito yung packaging, magagasgasan nga talaga to if ever nadaganan. Tapos, nagkaskasan sila. So, hanapin ko na muna yung mga keys, tapos ilalatag ko muna, and after that, syempre ilalagay ko na siya dito. So far, wala naman ako nakikitang gas-gas, so okay yun. Kasi napaka bad trip nga if ever may gas-gas to. So, meron ako dito keycaps, merong black and blue. So, pag meron akong gustong palitan, kukuha lang ako dito. What the heck? Okay. Do this. Ito yung aking switch. Blue switch. Tingnan natin yung difference. Oh my gosh, this is higher. Higher than my keycap. Oh, so cute! Oh my gosh. So, mahirapan lang talaga ako sa paghanap. But, we can do it. It's not that hard. By the way, this is the finished product. Kung makikita nyo kanina, ang layo ng difference, diba? Sobrang girly niya and sobrang cute. By the way, hindi dapat to kasali. Pero since lagi ko siyang gamit sa Valorant, nilagyan ko yung 4 kasi ayun yung plan. So, this is my keyboard. Mayroon na akong review nito. Lalagay ko na lang yung link sa description box sa baba. And papakita ko na sa inyo kung paano ibahin yung light. So, FN. Tapos, ito. Yan. Breathing. Tapos to. Ito yung steady. Tapos, what is this? Parang breathing din siya. And next one. Yan. That pala pinatake yung ilaw. Yan. Mas kita nyo pala. Pero, ayan, hindi nyo masyadong kita yung keycaps pag ganito. Tapos, yan, iba-iba. Yan, so ito yung parang no light. Ayan, gusto ko gamitin yung walang ilaw kasi mawala yung essence ng pagpalit natin ng keycaps. So, I just wanted to show you. This is the finished product. So, it's very girly. Pwede nyo rin tong gawin sa light blue or black. Kayo bahala sa combination. Pero ako kasi, since my setup may kinda pink touch up, and meron akong bago. Starbucks. So, everything's pink and white. I mean, hindi lahat. But most of the stuff on my desk is pink and white. Saglit lang yung film ko ngayon kasi nga I already did the clip last week pa. And meron akong video unboxing ng keyboard ko. Para sa gustong mag-avail, I will put the links on the description box, like everything starting from the keycaps, sa stores, sa keyboard, and ano pa ba?
One side.
Yung mouse, sige, sasama ko na. And also my mousepad, sige, sasama ko na para sa gusto mag-avail. Especially, siguro may boys din na may gusto, but I think most of it, girls ang makakagusto nun because it's pink. Sana magkaroon pa ako ng more videos about gaming or tech or kahit anong reviews. Pero this one is my favorite. And by the way, my keyboard is a TKL mechanical keyboard. It's a Gigaware and it's K550. Sorry, hindi ko alam i-pronounce, but yeah, I think that will be all for today. I hope to see you on my next vlog. Bye!